Hello, guys. Hello. So we're having a bit of technical difficulties. Gonna wait 3 more minutes for everyone to join in. Can everyone hear me fine? Okay. Okay. I guess we can get started. Um, okay. My name is Peter. I am the VP Logistics of Schulich Ignite. Um, I'm not actually the lecture lead. Our lecture lead had some computer issues, so I'll be subbing in. Yeah. Let me just. You guys should see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So we're at session 0. Okay. Just as a disclaimer, we are recording our sessions. So if you turn on your camera or your mic, that will go in our YouTube video. So, but the breakout rooms, when we put you in later, will not be recorded. So, yeah. Okay. So Schulich Ignite is a organization that helps high school students learn how to code. We also support kind of volunteer uh, for uni students. They can help out high school students to code by mentoring them. So yeah. So the overview of this course is that we're going to make a website from scratch or a template and kind of understand what is going on in a browser. and learn some industry practices for web development and kind of network with other people on web development. Um, this course is a bit different from our other courses because we actually have real world examples of projects, and you can build multiple websites on your own, and you can cover actually how things work in, I don't know, any website. Yeah. So why would you learn web development? Um, First of all, web development is not only in websites. They are in literally every UI you can think of. So for example, your, I don't know, your Samsung smart fridge, your car dashboard, right? Anything that has a UI requires web development and design. So it's not only useful in websites. And there are tons of jobs in web development, though it is getting oversaturated, but um, they are really easy to build. Like you can use your computer or your laptop and you can build it, no problem. Um, you can customize it to your own liking. And there's tons of pre-built libraries already there for you. Um, Yeah, and you can design it for any purpose. Literally every single industry needs a website. So yeah, okay. Our lessons. So we're gonna go from HTML and CSS, which is basically the website structure plus it's how it looks, all the way to JavaScript, which is kind of the logic. And then we're gonna go into networking and deploying sites, which is kind of actually deploying the site onto a domain. So like if you go to Google, that's a deploy site. But we're also gonna go to backends and APIs, which is kind of the backend logic of a website. So whenever someone uses a database in a website, that's all the backend. And security, which is kind of logging in and signing off and checking if you're logged in or not logged in. Yeah, so first 4 lessons, we're gonna make it look good and developing some features and kind of learn the structure of a website. And second, or no, the second half of the session, we're gonna learn how to host, and we're gonna learn more advanced features like the backend, like OAuth, have you heard of it? OAuth is for kind of logging in and logging off. Yeah. Oh, we have a chat. Okay, never mind. We're gonna teach technical aspects. So uh we're gonna learn why we suggest, or no, why you should learn what we suggest, the alternatives, and also research or resources to learn more things into web development, and also practice multiple sites. Yeah. Um, this will also design or uh, help you learn how to design a website, which is completely different from building a website. Also content writing and then case studies of real world websites, also security principles. Okay, so why is the right easier to read when the left have more text? Does anyone know?
Because the one on the right is organized in a certain way that's more readable.
Yes. So if you can see, like each box has its own kind of text, right? And you can see your eyes kind of flow way better when reading this than just reading a whole blob of words. Okay. Oh, okay. So how do you turn this site into this site? And this is what we're gonna teach, by the way. or this. So here's kind of sneak peeks into what we're gonna learn. So by the end of session 3, we're gonna have kind of like a basic template of this website, right? And then by session 4, we're gonna have this website. By session 5, we're gonna make a Pokédex. Okay. And then, okay. Also, these slides are not entirely meant to be read. So like you don't have to learn everything in the sessions. You can go back for them. Also, there are videos that we upload to YouTube, and the slides are all on the website, schulichignite.com. So if you miss something or miss a session, you can always go back. About the slides, we kind of color code them. So here are the resources we have. So if you went back and you can see resources, and underneath should be all the resources. Quick questions is kind of like a multiple choice question. Exercises are more of a breakout room question when we break you out into rooms and your mentors can help you there. End of session exercises are kind of take home assignments, but they're entirely optional just to, yeah. So end of session exercises are a take home assignment. As I said, there are also 3 difficulties. So if you don't want to do the hard, you can start with the easy. Um, yeah, so end of session exercises are more kind of real, like a real experience of building websites. And they will be marked for Ignite points, and I'll explain that later. Um, yeah, so if you meet the requirements asked and the content was used properly, and yeah, you'll get the Ignite points. Okay. Ignite points are essentially points we keep track for every single mentee. So if you have a consistent attendance to our sessions, we'll record that and we'll give you points for every session you attend. So answering quick questions or answering our multiple choice questions, we'll record that and arrange the points accordingly. And if you submit our end of session exercises, which is optional, you will also get Ignite points. And Ignite points will be the top 3 students will get Amazon gift cards for the top 3 Ignite points. So okay. Yeah, so as I said, you will be rewarded for consistent attendance. For every session, you'll get 5 points, but every consecutive session, you'll get 5 more. So for example, if you attend this session and then attend the next session, you'll get 10 points, if that makes sense. And if you attend the next session, you'll get 15. So it really stacks up. Okay. Oh, here's an example. So she attended all 8 except for session 6. So as you can see, it stacks up +5 every single session she attends, and then she didn't attend session 6, so it resets. Yeah. Okay, and quick questions. They're worth 10 to 20 points each, multiple choice answers, and they can be answered through Top Hat, which is a program we use. And they should have this icon. It's a quick question. So we're gonna have the example right now. So can you guys make sure you have a way to get on Top Hat or visit the webpage or download the app and make your account, and then use the same email you use Zoom account, and then join the course using this code. I'll give 5 minutes. Yeah, and let me know when you guys are done. So okay, is everyone mostly ready? Okay, I'll start the so I think so the question is just what's your name? You don't need to have a correct answer. There's no correct answer. I don't know if you guys can you guys join? Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay. Has everyone answered? Okay. Nice. Okay, so that's how Top Hat works. And if you can't set it up this time, don't worry about it. We can set it up for next time. Okay. If it says course not found, I will help you after the session. Don't worry about it. Okay. So our end of yeah, okay. So our end of session exercises again is a take-home assignment. And for the level 1, it will be at 15. And level 2, it will be 25 points. And then level 3 is 35. So it's on the range of difficulties. Okay. And our website, I think everyone knows our website is shuleignite.com. And you can see all of our previous sessions and recordings. Yeah. And also join the Discord. I'm going to paste a link in the chat. Yeah, so make sure to join the Discord so you can ask your mentor questions. We do not have this Discord bot set up, but it will be up for next week. So don't worry. You'll be able to find your mentor. And we are gonna have a end of session gala, which is at the end of our session 8. And um everyone will have a chance to show off your final project. And your final project is something you work on kind of throughout the sessions if you want. This is optional, completely optional. So we're gonna have a gala at the end of the 8 weeks just to show off your final project, and you get to meet a lot of industry experts. And so last year we had Microsoft, Google, AMD speak about their experiences. And yeah, just make sure you come. It's at the UFC. But the date is not decided yet. So yeah, wait, I want to speak about one more thing. If you present your project, you will also get a prize if you win the gala, which is dependent on what is it? There are a couple of judges that will judge your project, and if you win, you'll get more prizes. I'm not sure what those prizes are right now, but just know they're gonna be good. Okay, let's get started. So you guys probably all have Chrome or Safari. Oh no, yeah, you can't use Safari. So you have to use Chrome or Edge. And hopefully everyone has Chrome or Edge. We're gonna download Python. And don't worry, we'll do this in session one as well. This is just for a head start. If you guys need a link, I can do this right now. And if you have Python already downloaded, then it's chill. Yeah, so if anyone is unsure, you can look at my screen. You just click on this link and then just download Python. And then hopefully it downloads. If you're on Linux or a Mac, you click on these versions and download. Are you guys done downloading or no? Give me a thumbs up if you're done. Okay, so I'm gonna move on. If you're not done, don't worry. Next session is essentially the same thing. Okay. We're gonna download, or we're gonna also have to download pip, I think. But okay. Can you guys run this command? on the terminal. And if you are Linux or Mac, run this command in your terminal. So open up your command prompt and then have to do something like that. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any troubles, because worked. Okay, nice. Nice. Didn't work for you. Uh, so after you download Python, go in your command prompt. So I would press Windows or Mac or whatever your search thing is, and then just search command prompt. And then you type in this command we have. Yeah, no problem. Nice. Okay, wait. Thumbs up, you're done. Because okay, gonna give it like maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. Yeah. If you have any issues, please type in the chat, or you can unmute. So, okay, you would want to write it in the command prompt. So go to wherever your search is and then search command prompt. Or I don't know what the Apple equivalent is, but the Linux equivalent. And then you type in, and then you would type it in your shell.
For Apple's command space and then search terminal.
Yeah, search terminal. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna move on. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install VS Code. If you guys already have it installed, that's great, but VS Code is the IDE we're gonna be working with, so here is the link. An IDE is just a code editor essentially. And for VS Code, you can install a lot of extensions to make coding way easier. Yeah, so VS Code is just the most common and most popular one. Okay. Let me know if you guys are done with installing VS Code. Nice. I'll give it 3 more minutes. Okay. I think I'm gonna move on. If you're stuck somewhere, don't worry, we're gonna have breakout rooms, and in there your mentor can help you, or me, I can help you. So don't worry if you're not caught up. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up VS Code, right? We're gonna open up VS Code, and on the left hand side corner, you can see this. I have a different setup, but on the left hand side, you should be able to see this symbol. It's called extensions. It's gonna be like right here. So I'm gonna open up that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for Python. It's an extension for us to code better in Python. So I already have it installed, but all you guys do is click here and then you install right here. And the reason why we need Python is that later down the line, we're gonna use this as our back end. We're gonna use this as our backend language, or yeah, we're gonna use it as a backend language. Okay, you already have it installed? That's great. Can I get a thumbs up for everyone that's on this step or is done this step? Okay, nice. What do you click after installing Python? Nothing just yet. Have you oh, after installing Python, you want to install VS Code right here. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make an open folder. So go to your files, file, explorer, right? And what we're gonna do, let's say for Fluid Ignite. Oh, Ignite. Right, I have let's say I'm gonna make a new folder for section 0, right? And then we're just gonna open it in here, open folder, and then open that folder you just made. That's in general. That's it. Yeah, so this folder is for all of your code to go for web dev. So all your projects should be here in this folder. It should not be named section 0. It should be like Ignite web development or something. Can you redo this step? Yep. So essentially, what we want to do is make a new folder in our and wherever you want to store all of your code for web dev, right? And essentially, I already created one here called session 0, right? And essentially, what you can also do is you can open folder, like file, open folder, and session 0. So essentially, you file, open folder, and then you find your folder and then open that folder. Done? Okay. Is everybody done? Thumbs up. Okay. Give it 2 more minutes, I guess. Just as a general tour of VS Code. So let's say we create a new file, like main.py. So you can bring out your terminal using Command J. You don't really have to use that. And we want to print hello world. You have to save always before you run. You see this kind of white dot. That means you haven't saved. And if you haven't saved, it would run your changes before the before you saved. So yeah, so let's print hello world. Hello world. Next. And what else is there to VS Code? I think that's mostly it for now. I don't have it, but you guys should have it underneath here. You should, it should, oh, it's right here. It should say your Python version. It should be on your top right, top left, or no, bottom right or bottom left. And it should look something like this. Yeah. Okay. So memorizing code is definitely bad. So from now on, we're gonna be using kind of like a snippet system. So if you can see in the GIF, you can see he uses a snippet and it generates all this code, right? And we don't want to be writing out every single thing and memorizing it. So we're going to use a snippet, essentially. And now we're going to get set up with GitHub, which is what we're going to use to kind of distribute our code. So here is how to sign up for GitHub. Oh, if you guys already signed up before, that's great. So let me see, log into GitHub. Yeah, and when you're done, it should look something like this. So it should look something like sign up and then use whichever email. Just say. These. Yeah. Never mind. I already have an account, so I can't sign up, but just sign in with your email and then pretty sure you have to verify with the I'm not robot. Yeah. Once you're done creating an account, let me know. For everyone that's done, can you give me a thumbs up? Okay. We're gonna move on. So make a GitHub account. Then you should have a page. If you go on your profile, it should look something like that. Okay. So at this link, you can download all of our code and exercises for uh web dev sessions. So if you want, you can download the code and have our material before. Yeah, so you unzip it and then you can put it in the folder we made. This folder. So I can, right here, you can download. Yeah, but you can download the entire thing. So you go to code and then you can download zip. You can download the zip. So right here, I'm downloading.
I can't see your screen. Like you're not screen sharing right now.
Oh, am I not?
No.
I can see it.
Even I can see
Oh, what?
it.
Oh,
Wait.
it might look okay.
Wait, wait. Can everyone see it or no?
I can.
Even I
You
can.
can? You
Yeah.
can?
Oh, I must have
Yeah.
accidentally changed something.
Okay. Okay, you can see it?
Okay, I
Okay.
can see it now. Yeah.
Okay.
My fault.
Yeah, so the zip is a bit big, so yeah. So I downloaded the thing
All right.
and it should be in your downloads.
Can you just go over that one more time? I know it's my fault. My thing was off,
Yeah,
but I
no problem.
missed how to download.
What do you need?
Just wait. What exactly you downloaded?
Oh, right here. Right
Okay.
here. So you just go to click the code and then you download zip. Or
Thank you.
if you know how to git clone, you can git clone. Okay. So in my thing, I'm gonna extract. So right clicked, extract all. And then I'm gonna put it in my folder that I used, ignite, and then session 0. And then I'm gonna click extract. Is everyone on the same page? Do I need to repeat any steps? Okay. So now you can see I have all of the files down here, and I can access all of the code. So the examples, the exercises, I can all see it. Okay. Okay. Is everyone on this step yet? Where they extracted all of the code into your folder you created? Can you show again? Yep. So what we want to do is download the code, download the zip. And then after you have the zip, what we want to do is go into your downloads and then extract, right click, extract all. And then after that, you can choose your folder that you're selected. So for me, it'll be Ignite and then session 0. And then select folder and then extract. If the drag and drop works, that's fine as well. But make sure it's extracted. Okay. I am going to move on. And if you guys aren't on this step, don't worry, you can always go back. We have a recording and slides and you can go back on. Okay, so here, if you go to today's files, so if I go to, if I go to my folder, and then go into Ignite, session 0, day 0, just today, and then exercises, and then tests. If you open this up, so I'm gonna click that in Google Chrome, you're gonna see welcome to the course. Which is cool, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So the markdown file, this isn't that important. Troubleshooting. Okay, we're gonna go into a quick breakout room just to make sure everything is working. So and just give it a second. Okay, a bit of technical difficulties. We have to just give it a 1 minute. Everyone join the breakout rooms. Okay, just gonna wait until everyone comes back. Hopefully.
Peter, so I wanted to say some people are having issue with the top hat. Could you like
Oh,
help them walk through how to join the course? Maybe by screen sharing.
I am actually using Top Hat for the first time, but I can help them after the session.
Yeah.
I think everyone should be back in. So that was the end of our session. And session 1 begins on Friday at 6 to 7:30. And we're gonna have 2 more mentors. So the breakout rooms are gonna be smaller and it's gonna be more personalized, I guess. So yeah, and also we're gonna have our lecture lead hopefully on Friday. So you're not gonna, yeah. Okay, that was it. So thank you everyone for coming. And yeah, thank you everyone for coming. Bye-bye. No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you have any issues, you can stay behind and I can fix or hopefully debug.